Okay, this is the second video showing the gross error on the MK Phantoms that were improperly sharpened. Again, this area from here to here is parallel. This is side hone. This is undercut here, undercut here. Looks like this. So I've got a precision square. I'm going to put this on this blade here so it touches both surfaces. And it not only has a gap, but it's got a totally goofed up. It's not square. Put it on over here. It's tilted way up. So exaggerated, it's like this. This one edge on the left here, the one that's right here, is way down. So the head of this thing, instead of being like this, is tilted like here. And that's probably because somebody used the wrong tooling surface. Normally what you do is you put this on here and you check to make sure the gap on this side looks like the one on this side. And this particular one is a used skate blade. This is a $500 skate blade, but it's just one that's second hand and it's been butchered. And because this is side honed here, you can't use this as a tooling surface. Normally what you do is you look at the gap that's on this side versus the one on this side, because this is thinner in here. And so this has got a gross error on it that has to be rectified. That's on a MK Phantom high-end skate blade. It's difficult to fixture in the sense you've got to grab it here and back here. And this gets thinner through this region. So the tabletop machine, you've got to be able to grab this here or not attempt to sharpen it, because it's going to be off this way. And that's what's happened on this used skate that I've got to look at.